Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. With popular features, features also include leather seats, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats. Come test drive the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-terrain. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel, audio controls, adjustable pedals, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.